Oh wow, it's so good to see you here tonight. Me and my sister wife, Jenna, were hoping to wine and dine you if you wouldn't mind.
God, I do love wine and I do love dining.
It would be a real shame if we just cooked this amazing man Anna a great meal tonight, wouldn't it, Jenna?
That would be amazing, because as women, we excel in the kitchen.
Well, I may not be a woman then, 'cause I sure fucking don't. Chat, I hope you're ready to sit back, relax, and watch all the good views as we bake and bend for you.
We're just gonna make spaghetti.
Sexy spaghetti.
Okay, I'll switch it over now. Hold on, I think I need to copy this one browser so it's really